Assalamu alaikum. My name is Labib Hasan. My metric number is A20EC4079. Today I'm going to explain about my PSM2 report. I've taken research for my PSM. My topic name is Opinion Mining Unveiling Sentiment Analysis in Product Review by Machine Learning. So here is the table of content. First we'll do introduction, problem statement, objective scope, research, methodology, experiment design, result and achievement from this research. So let's start from the introduction. So product review has a big impact on customers' decision in internet marketing. But negotiating this huge data is a big hassle for every one of us. So sentiment analysis will help to summarize viewers to label the views as a favorable or negative. Amazon product review has been used here in this paper by using the machine learning. We have done the research using the algorithms of naive-bayes and logistic regression. Even though it is based on simple assumption, naive-bayes has worked well in number of cases. Decision trees and neural network have been also compared in the literature review part of the study. Feature selection will improve model correctness by getting rid of the features which are not needed. The goal is to make reading viewers easier and more easy to user uh, easy to access or easy to manage for the viewers. Amazon data from 2009 shows that 88% of online shoppers trust reviews just as much as personal advice. The goal of the study is to find the best way to categorize reviews and learn more about the people, how they feel about the things. Let's discuss the problem statement. Leading e-commerce site Amazon runs thousands of daily products regularly. This evaluation provides information on product review qualities and suggestions. Hereby, the user or the buyer needs the help for mining the opinion. This work focuses on sentiment analysis using machine learning to clarify Amazon product food review, which was taken from the Kaggle. We will decide the reviews is positive or negative. Extensive information from big dataset can also extend the mean of data mining, including grouping, classification, and regression. A, a type of opinion mining, sentiment analysis uses natural language processing, which is NLP, to examine comments and evaluation on social media. This study group comments, sentiments, and offers predictive information to guide decisions. Let's discuss the objective which we have done in this research. There's three objectives: to evaluate the performance of need-based logistic regression by using evaluation metrics like precision, accuracy, recall, and F1 score; to investigate the impact of feature selection on need-based and logistic regression for sentiment analysis, that the accuracy is increased or decreased after the feature selection; to find the base model of sentiment analysis between need-based and logistic regression with and without feature selection. Let's discuss the scope. This research will use two popular test classification algorithms, which are need-based and logistic regression, to create our predictive model and show which is one as a best result after feature selection and before feature selection. This research has collected our dataset from Kaggle, which contains a huge dataset about the review product. The dataset includes product ID, user ID, profile name, scores, summary, and text. And the one is this research will find out the impact of sentiment analysis by using need-based and logistic regression. To fulfill our analysis by using the dataset which is collected to examine how our model is predicting the sentiment analysis by text classification from summary of the review. After evaluating this, will use evaluation metrics in our model uh, with the use of with the help of F1 score, MCC, accuracy, precision, and recall. This research will also explore the strength and weakness of the models. Let's discuss the algorithm which is used in our research. I have used two algorithms, net-based and logistic regression. Let's discuss the basic of net-based and logistic regression. So net-based is a Bayes theorem based problematic classifier that assumes feature independency. It eliminates class probabilities and feature conditional probabilities. Give the class from training data. The product of these probabilities determines the class with the highest probability of an unusual situation. Logistic regression. Linear classification model, logistic regression predict probabilities using the logistic function. It fixes a linear combination in input attributes and model coefficient to the data and calculates the probability. This probability determines the class level, usually zero point 0.5 for binary classification. Let's do the discuss literature review. In my paper, in the research, we have discussed about um, a different type of algorithm which is used for product review or sentiment analysis. So, based on the literature review, the study summarized the most of the existing studies focusing on the algorithm improvement, including net-based, SVM, and decision tree. It is crucial to acknowledge that the choice of algorithm and technique mostly depends on the feature and the characteristics of the dataset. However, this study summarized that the uses of feature selection along with name-based and logistic regression is still unexplored. By addressing this concern, this study is using naive-based and logistic regression as predictive model along with feature selection, which has not been done in most of the paper, or it is very rare that anyone has worked with this naive-based and logistic regression using the feature selection model. Let's explain the research methodology. So the steps are preparation, data preprocessing, model selection and evaluation, performance analysis, and data visualization. For the first step, data presentation, preparation, we have to collect the data, we have to extract the data, and we have got the data set. In phase two, data preprocessing, feature selection model, by using the feature selection model, selecting the machine learning algorithms which we have taken, net-based and logistic regression. In the next phrase, performance analysis. Uh, the data set we have got, we have divided into 80 and 20%, and we have worked in our models to get the best result. And at the end, data visualization, which give the result of the models after predicting from the data set. Here's the experiment design. So let's go and see. Here we can see at first we have to start and input the data. Then during the pre-processing, we are doing the feature selection during the pre-processing, and after that we are going to use the algorithm net-based and logistic regression for the experiment, and then perform analysis. Then selecting the data set, we are using 20% of our data set to get the best result after and before feature selection. And after getting the evaluation matrix, accuracy, precision, F1 score, we have selected the model and we have finished the experiment. So here the result. So this is the result before feature selection. Here you can see the neighbors, accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score, and logistic regressions, F1 score, recall, precision, and accuracy. So here you can slightly see the logistic regression is 66% accurate, more than a base before feature selection. So after doing the feature selection, we can see that naive Bayes and logistic regression has the same accuracy, which is 62%, and we can see that after feature selection, the accuracy has been reduced, which is which is which is not good, obviously. So in our finding, we have saw that after feature selection, the both algorithms doesn't work well. Here's the overview before and after the feature selection. So as you can see, before the feature selection, the accuracy of need base was 64%, and after the feature selection, we are seeing the accuracy is 62%. And in logistic regression, we are seeing before we have done the feature selection, the 66% accuracy was shown. But after doing the logistic feature selection, the accuracy has reduced from to 62%, which is very less. 4% reduce is a lot. So what we have achieved from this research? So to do the whole study, we have seen the comprehensive EDA, which is positive overview, the ratios and the short reviews, the superior model performance without feature selection, the impact of feature selection, the robustness of logistic regression, and the base model determination, which is logistic regression is a base model uh, basis on the data set and the experiment we have done before and after the selection. It identifies as a base model, an accurate and balanced model for sentiment analysis. So thank you for watching. This was my presentation.